another duck story. Listen up, we're bucket in a dancer style. We're wicked and buff, so we're wicked and wild. Now listen them, yeah, you take away on the back to my channel, Reeztv here, and today's video, honey, today's video is a slay, is a beat, okay, is a face. It is the long-awaited collab with Marie here on YouTube and on Instagram. I honestly love Briana Marie. If you don't know her, I don't know what the hell you guys are doing and why you're not subscribed to her. If you're not subscribed to her, please go ahead and click the link down below. I'll leave her channel link in the description box below, along with all the other beautiful and talented artists in this collab. I got the opportunity to be a part of Doll Gang number 4 for her major collaboration on hitting 100,000 subscribers, which, Briana, congratulations, baby girl, you deserved it. You are an amazing artist. You're such a big inspiration to me, and I hope to be on your level one day. You deserve 1 million subscribers more, and you will get there because you're very talented. I love her because she's not cookie cutter. I always say this, her looks are like out of the box and not for the average, not for the faint of heart, okay? And I really do feel like the looks that I create as well on a daily basis are not for the average person. So I just feel like she brings a lot of inspiration, and whenever I scroll down on her Instagram or I'm watching her YouTube videos, it just puts me in beat mode, savage mode. Like, I'm ready to slay this face at all times. So I'm very, very grateful for this opportunity to be a part of this collab and to be shown to a larger platform than my own. Our theme was like a Stacey Marie glitter cut crease type of vibes, and Briana likes to call her supporters her dolls, so I did want to put like a doll twist on it by adding some bottom lashes and giving my eyes like a bigger doll-eyed look, and this curly hair kind of goes with the look too, you know what I'm saying? So I'm really, really excited. If you are new to my channel, please do subscribe. I hope you like the look that I created. If you would like to see how I created this look, please continue to keep on watching. Do not forget to rate, comment down below, and hopefully I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, you guys. Which is the Fenty Beauty primer. Like, this primer is amazing. If you guys have watched my old videos, if you're, you know, OG subscribers, you know I used to mix my Becca and Makeup Forever primers together to create like the perfect primer for me to help smooth out my skin even more and control my oils. But the Fenty Beauty is basically both of that in one, so like I love that primer. I have to get myself a new bottle. Then I'm gonna go ahead and color correct. My foundation of choice is the Huda Beauty Full Filter Foundation in Chocolate Mousse. This is my holy grail foundation right now. I have not been able to put it down since I've bought it. It is amazing. It gives me a flawless full coverage face, which is what I love. For my concealer, I am using Cover FX Cream Concealer in Medium Deep. After I have concealed and highlighted, I'm going to bake my face in the areas where I really want it to not crease and control oils with my Sacha Buttercup powder. So that is under my eyes, along my forehead, and like my T-zone area. Then I set the rest of my face using my Studio Fix powder in NC55 by MAC with a big fluffy brush. I just brush that all over my face. To contour my face, I'm using Sleek's Dark Contour Kit, and I contour my forehead, my cheeks, and my jawline. Then to go over it, I bronze with Black Up's Sublime Powder in 05. That's just gonna add more warmth into my skin. For my blush of choice, I'm actually using MAC's Sweet as Cocoa. I love that blush. It's basically like, it does the same thing that Lovejoy does. I love both of those blushes. They again add more color into my skin, so, and they're really neutral blushes, so that's what I'm using. For my highlighters, I am mixing Poshmetic's Queen of the Beam. First, I'm gonna lay that down, and then for that added extra glow, because you know we want to be hella extra, I'm gonna be taking Poshmetic's again Glow Bunny. I love these two mixed because it just gives me optimal beamage. That's what we're going for. So
that is the face done. I do my brows off camera, and what I used for my brows was the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow in Granite. So for my eyes, I do NW15 Pro Longwear Concealer from MAC. That's what I use as my eyeshadow base. I've been loving this lately. It's been really making my bright colored eyeshadows pop, and I do not set my concealer because when you set it, you don't get the optimal pigmentation that you need from your shadows. So for my first shade, I'm taking that pink shade from the Suva Beauty's Cupcakes and Monsters palette, and I'm just going to build that shade up in my crease until I am satisfied with the intensity. Start off small. Whenever you're doing any type of eyeshadow look, you always want to start off smaller and then work your way up to the intensity that you prefer. So that's what I'm doing there. Then I'm going to go in with Sugar Pills Poison Plum, the purple from that palette, and I'm going to overlap that again, building up my intensity to my preferable amount. Now when it comes to blending out my crease, I always do this step. I take my face powder and I take a big fluffy brush. In this case, I'm using the Morphe E22, and I buff out the edges of my eyeshadow color into my crease. This just creates a seamless blend for me. This is what I like to do, and then I go back and forth with the same blending brush that I used to lay down the other colors, and it's a matter of going back and forth until you are satisfied with your transition of your shades. So now I'm just going to take another brush and I'm going to dip it into the Huda Beauty Smoky Obsessions palette, and I'm going to take the black from that eyeshadow palette. Yo, I'm already hitting pan on that black eyeshadow. It's so bomb. Like, I love that black eyeshadow. I'm just using that to intensify my crease and add more dimension. Then I pop the same two pink and purple shades on my lower lash line, just to kind of like smoke out my lower lash line. First I lay down the pink, then the purple. Now I'm going to start to cut my crease, baby. I'm taking an Inglot gel liner. I got this tip from Makeup with Jaw here on YouTube and on Instagram. It gives me a really clean, sharp look for my cut creases, so that is what I like to use. So that's what I'm doing. Then after I'm satisfied with my cut crease, I'm going to be taking 112 from Inglot. It's an AMC pigment, and I'm just going to pack that all over my lid. It does not have to be perfect because we're going to go over it with glitter. I'm going to do my liquid liner first, because when you put glitter down and then do your liner on top, it tends to give like a bumpy, gritty look, and I don't like that. So I try to always do my liner first, then lay my glitter down where I want it to go. So that's what I'm doing. I'm taking these 3 glitter mixes and I'm pressing that on my lid using my Lit Cosmetics glitter adhesive. Now I'm just taking this purple liquid liner from NYX and I'm just etching that along the line in between my glitter cut crease and like my matte crease colors to create an emphasis. Stacey Marie is really big on liner work, so that's why I wanted to add that into the look. For my lip pencil, I used Cork from MAC Really Me lipstick and Sugar Rimmed lip gloss. Then I apply my bottom lashes. I do my top lashes off camera, and this is the finished slayage. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I really did have fun doing this collab with B Marie and all of the other lovely talented artists. If you are new to my channel, again, do not forget to subscribe and definitely leave a comment down below. Rate this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in the next one.